Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Rar Zip file, Packing and Unpacking app on your Sony Xperia 10 IV. So first we'll need to open our Google Play Store and enter Rar in a search pool. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. Now we'll be able to open it. From here, grant it to all file access. Move back, dismiss this notification, and our app is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.